Morning students. So last classes I think completed exercise miscellaneous exercise question number 8 का first part completed. Now question number 8, that is second part of question number 8. Question number 8 second part is so that A union B minus A is equal to A union B. Here show that A union B minus A is equal to A union B. So proof. So first suppose let X belongs to A union B minus A. So this imply X belongs to A or X belongs to B minus A. X belongs to A or X belongs to B minus A. And since B minus A is the subset of B, every element of B minus A is belong in B. So this imply X belongs to A or X belongs to B, since B minus A is the subset of B. Every element of B minus A belong in B. So B minus A subset of B. So X belong in B minus A. So X belongs to B also. So this imply X belongs to A or X belongs to B. So this imply X belongs to A union B. And since here suppose since X belong in A union B minus A, and this imply X belong in A union B. So this set is subset to that. So therefore A union B minus A is the subset of A union B. Call it first. Now suppose any element Y belongs to A union B. So let Y belongs to A union B. That is now so that A union B is the subset of A union B minus A. So let Y belongs to A union B. This imply Y belongs to A or Y belongs to B. Y belongs to A or Y belongs to B. This imply this can written Y belongs to A or this can written Y belongs to B minus A, because this can written or not Y belongs to B. So Y belongs to B, here prove that Y belongs to A or Y belongs to B. Here so that Y belongs to A union B minus A. So how to show? Here Y belongs to B, Y belongs to A or Y belongs to B. Now we show that element Y belongs to A union B minus A. How to show? कैसे दिखाओगे इसके बाद? Y belongs to this, B minus A is the subset of this, Y belongs to B, and Y be any element of B. So Y belongs to A, this imply, और आप एक ऐसा भी कर सकते हो, इसमें हाफ पार्ट आप इतना को हटा दें, यह पार्ट नहीं दिखाना हो, आप कैसे इतने में प्रूफ करोगे? ये तो इतना समझ में आ गया। सेकेंड पार्ट के लिए क्या करेंगे, आप इसमें सिंबल लगा दो इम्प्लाई, दिस इज रीड एज इम्प्लाई एंड इम्प्लाई, दिस इज रीड एज इम्प्लाई एंड इम्प्लाई, इम्प्लाई एंड इम्प्लाई मीन्स हियर X belongs to this, imply this, and X belongs to A union B, imply this. So here direct can written A union B minus A, इसमें एलिमेंट सपोज कि यहाँ बिलोंग किया, इसमें एलिमेंट सपोज किया बिलोंग किया, सो बोथ आर इक्वल सेट, प्रूव्ड। आप ऐसे भी प्रूफ कर सकते हो, पहले में बताए नहीं थे, कुछ प्रैक्टिस के लिए आप इम्प्लाई एंड इम्प्लाई साइन दे करके हाफ पार्ट छोड़ सकते हो। जहाँ इक्वेशन फर्स्ट तक हम लोग बना रहे थे यहीं तक प्रूव हो जाएगा। ये समझ में आ गया, ऐसे भी कर सकते हो। क्वेश्चन नंबर 9, क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 is using properties of sets, then show that using properties here, show that A union A intersection B is equal to A by using properties. How to use property? अब इसमें एलिमेंट नहीं सपोज करना है, जो ऐसे सपोज कर रहे हैं, सबसेट प्रूफ नहीं करना है। इसमें आप प्रॉपर्टी यूज करके प्रूफ करोगे। कैसे प्रूफ करते हैं प्रॉपर्टी देखिए। टेकिंग LHS, so what is LHS? A union A intersection B, this is LHS. Now use distributive law, distributive, so this can written A union A which sign intersection A union B by डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव लॉ। आप चेक कर लोगे डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव लॉ, A इंटू बी प्लस सी इज इक्वल टू A इंटू बी प्लस A इंटू सी होता है बाय डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव लॉ। सो यूर यूज डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव लॉ एंड सिंस A यूनियन A इज इक्वल टू A इंटरसेक्शन A यूनियन B, यहाँ पे कौन सा प्रॉपर्टी यूज किए? सिंस A यूनियन A इज इक्वल टू A, दिस इज कॉल्ड idempotent law. So by idempotent law, by idempotent law, and A intersection A union B is equal to A because A is the subset of A union B. Every element of set A belong in A union B. So intersection of this set is equal to A. Proved? This equal to RHS. Proved. तो आप ऐसे प्रॉपर्टी यूज करके प्रूफ करोगे। इसका सेकेंड पार्ट एंड क्वेश्चन नंबर 10, question number 10 is show that A intersection B is equal to A intersection C need not imply B is equal to C. That is, if A intersection B is equal to A intersection C, then it is not necessary B is equal to C. That is, if B not is equal to C, then also A intersection B is equal to A intersection C. तो जहाँ नॉट दिखाना होगा आप एग्जाम्पल से दिखा सकते हो, प्रूफ नहीं करेंगे। यहाँ पे नॉट दिखाना है, नीड नॉट इम्प्लाई, आप एग्जाम्पल से इसे प्रूफ कर सकते हो। So suppose A and B are two sets such that there are ABC and three sets such that A intersection B is equal to A intersection C. So solution, let A is equal to 1 2 3 and B, suppose B is equal to 1 3 5 7 and C is equal to, here A intersection B is equal to A intersection C. So what is intersection? 1 and 3, two elements. Here also 1 3 and 6 suppose. So ABC are three sets. आप ऐसा 3 सेट सपोज करो कि A और B का इंटरसेक्शन और A C का इंटरसेक्शन इक्वल हो। सो नाउ फाइंड A intersection B. So A intersection B, what is the common between these two sets? 1 and 3. And now find A intersection C also 1 and 3. So both are equal. So therefore A intersection B is equal to A intersection C. Both are equal sets, but B not is equal to C, but B not is equal to C. तो जहाँ नॉट दिखाना आप एग्जाम्पल से दिखा सकते हो, बाकी जहाँ प्रूफ करना है उसे एग्जाम्पल से शो नहीं करेंगे. क्वेश्चन नंबर नाउ 11th. Question number 11th. 11th is, let A and B be sets, and if given A intersection X is equal to B intersection X is equal to phi, and A union X is equal to B union X for some set X, then show that A is equal to B. A is equal to B proof करना है. A is equal to B, that is first suppose A subset B, then show that B subset A. So for A subset B, suppose any element A, proof. Let X be any element of set A. So this implies this X does not belong in phi, sorry, this X does not belong in X. This implies X does not belongs to capital X. यह समझ में आ रहा है लाइन. X be any element of set A. This implies this X does not belongs to capital X. Why? Since A intersection X is equal to phi, means there is no common element between A and X. A और X में कोई common element नहीं है. तो if X belongs to set A, so X does not belong in set X. And X belong in set A, so this implies this X belong in A union X. Since X belong in set A, X set A का एलिमेंट है, so that X belong in A union X. Why? Since A is the subset of A union X, that is every element of set A belong in A union X. So X belong in A union X, and since A union X is equal to what? B union X. So this implies X belong in B union X, because since A union X is equal to B union X, both are given equal, and since X does not belongs to X, since X does not belongs to X, therefore this X must belong in B. दोनों में से किसी एक सेट में बिलोंग करेगा, बट X में बिलोंग नहीं कर रहा है, so that element X must belong in set B. अब X एलिमेंट किसका सपोज किए हैं? Since X belong in set A, and this implies that X belong in set B, therefore A is the subset of set B. Call it 1. Now we suppose Y be Y subset of A. So now let Y belongs to B. This implies Y does not belong in X, because B intersection X is equal to phi. Since B intersection X is equal to phi, and since Y belongs to B, so this implies that Y belongs to B union X. B union X. Why? Because since B is the subset of B union X, because B is the subset of B union X, so this Y belongs to B union X. this imply, and since y does not belongs to, since B union x, here B union x equal to what? A union x. So y belongs to A union x. Since B union x is equal to A union x, and since y does not belongs to x, this imply y must be belong in set A. इन दोनों में से किसी एक सेट में y बिलोंग करेगा. अब y क्या एलिमेंट सपोज किए हैं? सिंस y बिलोंग्स टू b and this imply y belongs to A. So therefore b is the subset of A. Call it second. From 1 and 2, A is equal to B. Proved. This is question number 11th. Question number 11th, okay. And question number 12th. 12th is find the sets A, B, C. Question number 12. Question number 12. 12 is find sets A, B and C such that A intersection B, B intersection C, A intersection C are non-empty, but A intersection B intersection C is phi. क्या फाइंड करनी है? फाइंड सेट्स A, B and C such that A intersection B not is equal to phi, B intersection C not is equal to phi, and A, yes, such that, and A intersection C not is equal to phi. Not is equal to phi means non-empty. Not is equal to phi, and A intersection B intersection C is equal to phi. That is, there is no any common element between A, B and C. So solution: A is equal to, suppose 1, 2, 3, 4. Now set suppose B is equal to 4, 5, 6. Now set suppose C 6, 7, 8, and A intersection C also not 5. So 4, 3 also suppose 3, suppose here 3 and 6, because A intersection C not is equal to 5. That is, A and C at least any one element is common. So now find A intersection B. Find the value of A intersection B. So A and B, what is common? Here 4 is the common element. So A intersection B is equal to 4. That is not is equal to 5. Now find B intersection C. B intersection C, what is common element? Only 6. 6 is the common element, which also not is equal to 5. Now find A intersection C. What is common between A and C? 3 is the common element. So 3, which also not 5. Now find A intersection B intersection C. That is, what is the common element between A, B and C? No any common element. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. This here 3 is common, but 3 not here. So no any common element between A, B and C. So A intersection B intersection C is equal to 5. So this is the required set. Now from 13 to 16 I think previous class given है homework. So आप ये फॉर्मूला यूज करके फाइंड कर सकते हो नंबर ऑफ A यूनियन B यूनियन C ये सब ईजी है, एग्जाम्पल हम लोग डिस्कस कर चुके हैं। तो आप लोग इधर 13 to 16 आप लोग ट्राई कर लोगे एंड यूज़ फार्मूला नंबर ऑफ ए यूनियन बी एंड डू इट। ओके 20 मिनट हो